CAIA Level I. Topic 1 of the CAIA Level 1 curriculum establishes ethical conduct, fiduciary duty, and professionalism as the foundation of the alternative investment industry. Candidates study the purpose of investment markets, the responsibilities of financial professionals, and the importance of placing client interests first. The curriculum introduces the CAIA ethical principles, emphasizing integrity, accountability, prudence, and trust in investment decision-making. Historical case studies involving financial misconduct illustrate how ethical failures damage investor confidence and market stability. The topic reinforces that technical expertise must be supported by strong ethical judgment and professional responsibility. Topic 2 introduces alternative investments and explains how they differ from traditional asset classes such as stocks and bonds. Candidates study hedge funds, private equity, private debt, real assets, and structured products while learning about diversification, illiquidity, and active management. The curriculum emphasizes institutional portfolio construction, arbitrage opportunities, and the role of inefficient markets in generating alpha. Legal structures, fund governance, performance measurement, derivatives, and risk management are also examined. Quantitative tools such as IRR, regression analysis, and risk-adjusted return measures help candidates evaluate complex alternative investment strategies and institutional investment programs. Topic 3 focuses on real assets, including commodities, infrastructure, farmland, timberland, intellectual property, and real estate. Candidates learn how tangible assets generate value through income production, scarcity, inflation sensitivity, and economic utility. The curriculum explains commodity pricing, futures curves, backwardation, and contango while also examining infrastructure investment structures and intellectual property monetization. Real estate analysis includes property sectors, financing structures, REITs, valuation methods, and development considerations. The topic emphasizes diversification benefits, inflation protection, and long-term portfolio applications while recognizing the operational, regulatory, and liquidity risks associated with real asset investments. Topic 4 examines private equity as an alternative investment strategy involving active ownership and long-term capital appreciation. Candidates study venture capital, growth equity, and leveraged buyouts, along with private equity fund structures and institutional investment programs. The curriculum explains capital commitments, carried interest, subscription lines, J-curves, and LP-GP relationships. Candidates also analyze exit strategies such as IPOs, secondary buyouts, and SPAC transactions. The topic highlights how private equity managers create value through operational improvements, strategic oversight, and financial restructuring while balancing illiquidity, leverage, and governance considerations within private market investing. Topic 5 explores private debt and credit-oriented alternative investment strategies. Candidates study direct lending, mezzanine debt, leveraged loans, venture debt, distressed debt, and structured credit products. The curriculum emphasizes credit analysis, covenant protections, recovery rates, and bankruptcy procedures, including Chapter 7 and Chapter 11 restructurings. Candidates also learn about securitization, collateralized debt obligations, and credit derivatives such as credit default swaps. The topic explains how private lenders evaluate risk, collateral quality, and borrower cash flows while generating enhanced income opportunities within a liquid and complex credit markets. Topic 6 introduces hedge funds and their role in generating absolute returns through flexible investment strategies. Candidates study equity hedge, event-driven, relative value, volatility, and multi-strategy hedge fund approaches. The curriculum explains leverage, derivatives, and short-selling mechanics, including risks such as short squeezes and liquidity constraints. Candidates also analyze hedge fund portfolio construction, performance attribution, diversification, and operational due diligence. Funds of hedge funds and liquid alternative structures are examined as methods of accessing hedge fund strategies. The topic highlights both the return potential and operational risks associated with sophisticated hedge fund investing. Topic 7 examines digital assets and blockchain-based financial systems as emerging alternative investments. Candidates study cryptocurrencies, decentralized networks, smart contracts, and distributed ledger technology. The curriculum emphasizes the unique characteristics of digital assets, including decentralization, transparency, and cryptographic security. Risks such as hacking, fraud, governance failures, liquidity constraints, scalability challenges, and technological obsolescence are also analyzed. Candidates learn how token issuance, consensus mechanisms, and market adoption influence digital asset valuation. The topic positions digital assets as innovative yet highly volatile investments requiring specialized risk management and careful institutional evaluation. Topic 8 covers additional alternative investment strategies, particularly funds of funds and multi-alternative investment structures. Candidates study private equity funds of funds, hedge funds of funds, and diversified alternative portfolios designed to provide institutional investors with broader manager access and enhanced diversification. The curriculum explains portfolio construction, operational due diligence, manager selection, and the trade-offs associated with layered fee structures. Liquid alternatives, UCITS frameworks, and regulated multi-alternative products are also discussed. The topic emphasizes the importance of diversification, governance, and strategic allocation when building institutional portfolios that incorporate multiple alternative investment strategies.